Let's meet some cool farm animals. Let's get started. Look, here's a sheep. It goes baa, baa. Can you say that? Sheep have soft, woolly fur. Next is a pig. Pigs say oink, oink. They love to play in the mud. Here's a horse. It says neigh, neigh. Horses run really fast. Now, here's a cow. It goes moo, moo. Cows give us milk. Do you like milk? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's a rooster. Roosters wake everyone up in the morning. It is a hen. It says cluck, cluck. Hens lay eggs. This is a goat. Goats say bleat, bleat. They love to eat plants. Hee-haw. That's a donkey. Donkeys are strong and can carry things. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Ducks love to swim. And there's a goose too. Look at this rabbit. It hops around and is so soft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.